you get a big old 50.
Hello, Mother.
Hello.
How you doing?
What if Dad's face because he likes those things?
You love these things.
I just love you so much.
You are so
I love
cute. What do you got there? Beer? Cheers.
Cheers.
You love them, huh, Dad? I'm gonna get you one of these for
Knock it
Christmas.
off.
Yeah.
Knock it off. Go to somebody else.
This is your Christmas gift. And I'll teach you how to use it, but you'll ask me 100 times, Carrie, what button do I push?
Okay. How do I get this thing started?
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You can do it. I got a black screen with some scribbles on it. What button do I
So
push?
it's like,
We've had enough.
I can't ever
Get out of
spell
here.
it.
Go.
It's all up to him.
I remember the time when Nancy
My
said,
day is sometimes
"Hey, go in there and get the
yeah.
camera." He came out with the cell phone. He said, "I don't know how to work this damn thing."
That's right.
You took the cell phone today, and you called me.
I don't know how to use a cell phone, and it's just fine.
You called me
Carrie.
today.
I've had enough. Talk to Dan. Talk to Dan.
What a baby.
He is. He's a baby. He's a baby, isn't he?
Big baby.
That's
Oh, okay.
that right there is grumpy
Okay.
Gramps.
Okay.
Yep.
Tell you what.
It's not Grandpa's.
And so
grandpa.
is he.
The grumpy
Like
old.
father, like son. I'm telling you right now.
I'm the grumpy old man.
Grumpy
Just
Gramps.
fine.
Scary. Like father, like son. I'm not kidding.
Like father,
They're exactly
like
alike.
son. Grumpy and
Tell him to
Gramps.
get that fuck camera out of my face.
And there's Bud.
They
You're
are.
not
I
grumpy,
see.
are you?
I see a lot.
Bud.
I see a lot of
Bud?
good too.
Bud, look at me. Hi, Bud.
There are a lot of
You're
people who are
so
a lot alike,
cute.
Like father, like son.
Carrie,
Seriously.
There's Mom.
Dan doesn't get
Yeah, I do.
grumpy.
A lot of them.
And Michelle says
You had 25
Dan
in
gets
your
grumpy.
contract.
No, he don't get grumpy. But once you get pissed, you're done for.
Yeah, you're right.
I stay away when
I
that
know.
happens.
I know.
Okay.
Well, you get like that too, you know.
I
I
get
stay away.
grumpy. Look at him.
Yep.
Look at him. You grumpy?
Oh
No,
yeah.
he isn't grumpy right now.
Ah, he's
No,
gonna be
we're gonna
picking
stay
on
away
you.
Like
from
father,
that.
like son.
I know.
father like
I
son.
know.
He's gonna be picking on
They're a lot
you
alike.
tonight.
No picking on anybody tonight.
Yep.
Nope. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
We are.
Yep.
No
You know
fight.
what?
No picking on anybody, right?
No
pick on
challenging
anybody.
anybody.
But you know what?
What?
I love you. I love all these people around me. And
Yeah.
don't pick on me. No.
Nobody picks on you. You think that you get picked on, but you don't.
You
You
got
know what we'll get? You know what we'll get him for Christmas?
What?
Get him like a Kindle
We're gonna
Fire.
get him a
There you
shower
go.
fire.
Her dad got one, and he
Now
loves
he
the
loves
shit out
it.
of
Yep.
Yeah.
Once you figure it out, Pops, you'll love it.
That's
Yeah.
that thing they sell at the bookstore,
Yeah,
right?
once he figures it out, he will love it.
130 or something like that.
Can I tape myself? I don't even know if I got the.
You got it
Do I?
centered. You got it centered exactly perfect.
Do I? I'm good. I'm good.
Gary,
You didn't get
pick
Neil.
on Neil.
Pick, and pick.
What are you doing, Grey Duck?
Huh?
Duck, Grey Duck.
Duck.
Great on.
Here's the yard.
What's with the trees?
Dad
What-
says
why
that
are those
it's
trees
crappy.
Like
Oh,
that? Cut like that.
We were wondering the same
They
thing.
cut them all down before we moved in.
What
Yep.
were they?
Lilacs. weren't
Lilac bushes.
Oh, what a shame.
This is my brother Dan.
Bushes.
He's the old one, I'm the young one. I was told today that I'm a
Would you
teenager.
have wanted
How do you
them?
like that?
Lilacs are awesome.
What's wrong with on your phone?
Yeah, someone told me today, Dad, that I look like a
Bird
teenager.
away. Put the damn thing. I've had enough.
You know
Nancy,
what?
They'll come back though.
Did
aren't
you
they?
hear me?
For taking
Yes.
a long time.
Someone at church today told me that I looked like a teenager.
She fits in Destiny's
How do you like
short.
that?
You know what?
What?
A few more months and I can start exercising.
That's just
Yeah.
fine with me,
My
but
surgery.
I think
am. Once I get it, I'm
you
gonna
did
do-
something wrong by
I'm
straightening
losing
out
inches
the
Neil
hair.
from
Oh,
Yes.
did you hear that?
Yes.
Clothes.
Do you like the straight hair look? Grumpy Gramps doesn't like it so much.
Carrie, I think your hair sucks.
Yeah.
Let's put it that
My
way.
daughter told me.
I love my hair.
Mom, you're losing weight. And I said, I must be.
How's that?
I want you to go
My
back.
long, beautiful hair.
I want you to
Actually,
go
a
back
nice
to
comment.
short hair.
My daughter.
Caitlin,
Hey.
got a
Short hair.
boyfriend now?
Go back with short hair.
She's going with the
You
same
know,
one for
curly, the way it was.
Hey, I love my hair.
No way.
Feel my hair once.
She stays with
Look at
the
that.
dogs.
Look at
This
Fred.
feels good. It feels like velvet.
It's sharp.
Uh-huh.
Look at Fred.
Feel my hair.
That's Fred. Hey,
Show
Sharp.
him Century Dollars.
look, I want you to meet Fred.
Fred. Fred Astaire?
Yes,
Yeah,
financially.
All right, here we go.
I want you to meet Fred here.
She's doing her generals.
This is my,
Neil.
a good
She's
friend of
doing her
mine.
generals the first quarter.
This is Fred. He
Fred.
was here, I've known him for years and years and years. And,
And you know what?
his hair was got kind of short and long sometimes, but he's just a.
Short and
And you know
long.
what? He's got the hair to clean up on the bathroom floor when he gets home too. It's
He's
still
kind
all
of
over.
he's kind of a nice guy, but
You shaved your own head on.
he gives me a hand
He
once in a
vacuumed it,
while.
but he missed all of it.
Uh-oh.
He gives me a hand once in a while, but
Carrie
so.